my god.
What up, boy?
Ew.
This is Cassandra doing the cinnamon challenge.
You better do it though.
No, I said this is Cassandra doing the cinnamon challenge. If you can do it, I'll do it.
Alright then.
No!
Okay, ready?
Did you see Pedro do it?
Alright. Let's not talk about that. Alright.
Okay.
Everybody else chokes. Watch, I'm not gonna choke.
Are you nervous?
No. Yeah.
Where'd you get this cinnamon from?
My house. I don't even know. My mom was like moving the stuff, and I was like, "Mom, do you have cinnamon?" And she was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Why?" Okay, are you ready?
Okay. Just don't make too much noise.
Okay. I'm gonna use the other side. I'm scared now. Like that? Or more?
Why is it a fork?
It was from school.
Oh, okay.
Do I keep going? Or
Go
like
a little
that?
more.
A little more? Ah! I bet this is
Okay,
gonna
okay.
Okay.
Make sure you don't not think it's cinnamon, because it's cinnamon.
Alright, ready? Fuck it.
Into the water.
Stop!
Shut up.
Oh my god!
Did you swallow it?
Oh my god! I got.
Shut up. Did you swallow it?
I swallowed it. I did it.
Take it off your teeth and everything. Go, swallow it out. You can do it, come on.
I did it though.
Are you proud of yourself?
Fucking success.
Holy shit, you did it!
Okay, we should stop recording.
Bye-bye.